ॐ श्रीकृष्ण शरणं मम गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रय विनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। यस्वानुभावमखिल श्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपम् अतितितीर्षतां तमोन्धं संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुम् उपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां। योगीन्द्राय नमस्तस्मै शुकाय ब्रह्मरूपिणे संसारसर्पदष्टं यो विष्णुरातम् अमूमुचत् कालव्यालमुखग्रास त्रासनिर्नाशहेतवे श्रीमद्भागवतं शास्त्रं कलौकीरेण भाषितम् एतस्मादपरं किञ्चित् मनःशुद्धेन विद्यते जन्मान्तरे भवेत् पुण्यं तदा भागवतं लभेत्। ज्ञानवैराग्यसम्पूर्णान् हरिभक्तिपरायणान् पूर्वाचार्यादहं वन्दे सम्प्रदायप्रवर्तकान्। भगवन्नाम साम्राज्यं लक्ष्मी सर्वस्वविग्रहं श्रीमद्बोधेन्द्रयोगीन्द्र देशिकेन्द्रम् उपास्महे। कलिकालोचितं धर्मं नाम संकीर्तनात्मकं निर्णेतुमवतीर्णं तं प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे। हरे रामेति कृष्णेति नाम संकीर्तनं सदा लोकक्षेमाय कुर्वन्तं प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे। जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतश्चार्तेषभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि। धर्मः प्रोज्झितकैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनं। श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यते प्रकृतिभिः शुश्रूषिभिस्तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखात् अमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्षः कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे। मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वदा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यो दासोऽहं तव केशव। श्रीहरे नमः श्रीहरे नमः श्रीहरे नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Okay, so we'll have to do from chapter 9 from stanza 39. So Ramesh, can you do, I think, bit 20 stanzas, 22 stanzas. So you can do one half, Ramesh, and then Jay Shri Sriram, you can do other half.
Okay. 16 length, Rajesh?
No, 39.
13. Oh, okay. Oh, that's the second chapter, second
Yeah, 4.9, 39.
Sattvam Radha Mahakriyat,
Sadashram Ratamaru.
Om Shri Krishnaya Parvane Namaha. Satasvam Radhamahritya Kartash Parishto Matya Bandhuvihi Shangadhund Binanatena Brahma Koshena Venubihi
निश्चक्राम पुरादुर्नम् आत्मजाभीक्षणेच्छुकः
भीक्षणोत्सुकः नो भीक्षणोत्सुकः
शिक्षणोत्सुकः सुनीतिः सुरुषिश्चास्य महिष्यौ रुक्मभूजिते आरुह्य शिपिकां सार्धम् उद्यमेनाभिजग्मधुः तं दृष्ट्वो भवनाप्यासे आयन्तं तरसा रतात् अवरुह्य नृपस्दूर्नम् असाध्य प्रेम विह्वलः.
The one word asadhya, second line after the comma.
आसाद्य प्रेम विह्वलः परिरेबे बेङ्गजं दोर्भ्यां दीर्घोद्गण्डमनसस्वसन् विश्वक्षेनाङ्क्रीं संसपर्श हतशेषागबन्धनम् अदाजिघ्रन्मुहुर्मूर्ध्नि शीतैर्नयनवारिभिः स्नपयामास तनयम् जादोत्तममनोरथः.
Second line, first word sna, okay, snapayamas.
स्नापयामास तनयम् जगोत्तममनोरथः अभिवन्द्य विदुत्पादौ आशीर्भिश्चाभिमन्त्रितः ननाम मातरौ शीर्ष्णा सत्कृतः सज्जनारणीः चुरुचिस्तं समुत्थाभ्यः पातावनमार्भकम् परिव्यज्याह जीवेति पाश्पदकथया किरा यस्य प्रसन्नो भगवान् गुणैर्मैत्यार्दिभिर्हरिः तस्मै नमन्ति भूतानि निम्नामप इव स्वयम्.
The last word nimnamapa iva swayam.
निम्नमाप इव स्वयम् उत्तमश्च ध्रुवश्चोपौ अन्योन्यं ब्रह्म विह्वलौ अङ्गासङ्गादुत्पुलकौ अस्रौकं मुहुरुहतुः सनीतिरस्य जननी प्राणेभ्य बिभ्रियं सुतम् उपगुह्य जहावादिं तदङ्गस्पर्श निर्वृता.
First word sunitirasya. Okay, first word. Yes, yeah.
पयस्तनाभ्यां सुस्राव नेत्रैर्जै शशिलै शिवैः तदापि शिक्ष्यमानाभ्यां वीरवीरसो मुहुः तां शतं जुर्जनारञ्जनीं तिष्ट्या ते पुत्र आर्तिघा प्रतिलब्धशिरं नष्टो रक्षितमण्डलं भुवः अभ्यर्थित त्वया नूनं भगवान् प्रणदार्दिः यदुनुत्यायिनो धीराः मृत्युं जिज्ञु सुदुर्जयम्. करेक्टा? लाल्यमानं जनैरेवं ध्रुवं सभ्रातरं नृपः आरोप्य करिणीं हृष्ट स्तूयमानो विशत्पुरम्.
Krishtaha just before the comma.
Okay.
Krishtaha.
Split another. Okay. Krishtaha. Okay. Krishtaha. तत्रेपसंक्लुप्तैः लसन्मकरतोरणैः सवृद्धैः कदलीस्तम्भैः भूगबोधैश्च तत्वितैः.
And the first line ஒரே word மட்டும் தத்ரோப அந்த தத்ரோப சங்கல்ப்தைஹி.
தத்ரோப. Okay. தத்ரோப சங்கல்ப்தைஹி. Okay. सूदपल्लववाशश्रं मुक्ता तामविलम्बिभिः उपस्कृतं प्रदिद्वारम् अपां कुम्भैः सतीपकैः प्राकारैर्कोपुराकारैः सदा कुम्भपरिच्छतैः सर्वतेऽलङ्कृतं श्रीमत् विमानशिखरयुयुभिः.
ரெண்டு first line after the comma shata a sound. Okay, shata kumbha.
Okay,
and the second line sarvato instead of sarvate.
सर्वत सर्वतोऽलङ्कृतं श्रीमत्. मृष्टचत्वरत्र्याटमार्कं I have to combine it, right? मृष्टचत्वरत्र्याटमार्कं चन्दनचर्चितं लाजाक्षितैः पुष्पफलैः स्तण्डुलैर्बलिभिर्युतम्.
The is will go away second line and the visarga. So tundalair balibhiryutam.
Oh, okay. Now split பண்ணும்போது better. Okay, thank you. Oh. ध्रुवाय पदिदृष्टाय तत्र तत्र पुरस्त्रियः सिद्धार्थाक्षत्यम्बु दुर्वा पुष्पफलानि च. combined இல்லையா? அது correct.
Yeah, combined தான், correct only. Yeah.
उभजगृहु प्रज्ञुजाना वात्सल्याताक्षीक्षतः सतीः शृण्वंस्ततत् वल्गुगीतानि प्राविशद्भवनं भितुः महामणिवृतो मये सतस्मिन् भवनोत्तमे लालितो नितरां पित्र न्यवसद्दिविदेववत्.
I can stop there. And the first word mattum vratamaye. Mahamani vratamaye.
Vratamaye, okay, sorry. Okay.
ராஜேஷ் 57ல அந்த விசர்காக்கு அப்புறம் தண்டுலைரா
Tandulair.
Okay.
Keep saying tundalair. Tandulair, yeah. Jayashree can continue from there.
भयफ्बे ननिभाषय्या धान्दारुक्मपरिच्छदाः आसनानि महार्हानि यत्र रौग्मा उभस्कराः यत्र स्फटिककुट्येषु महामारगदेषु च मणिप्रदीपा आभान्ति ललनारत्नसंयुधाः उद्यानानि च रम्यानि विचित्रै अमरद्रुमैः गूजत् विहङ्गमिथुनैः गायन्मत्तमधुव्रतैः वाभ्यो वैधूर्यशोभनाः पद्मोद्बलकुमुद्वदीः हंसकारण्डवकुलैः जुष्टाश्चक्राह्वसारसैः.
The first line mattum before the comma sopanaha. Sopanaha.
Okay. Sopanaha. उत्तानपादो राजऋषिः प्रभावं तनयस्य तं श्रुत्वा धृत्वा बुधत्तमं प्रभेदे विश्वमयं परं वीक्षयोडवयसं तं च प्रकृतीनां च सम्मदम् अनुग्रहप्रजं राजा ध्रुवं शक्रे भुवः पदिम्.
Second line, first word anurakta prajam.
Anurakta prajam raja dhruvam chakre bhuvav padim.
The first word mattum you said vikshayoda. It's just a iksh. Vikshoda.
Vikshoda.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, keep going.
Atmanam cha pravayasam agalayya vishambarihi vanam virakta pradishtat vimrushan natmanogadim इति श्रीमद् महाभागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां चतुर्दशस्कन्धे ध्रुवराज्याभिषेक वर्णनं नाम नवमोऽध्यायः. अद दशमोऽध्यायः. मैत्रेय उवाच प्रजापतेर्दुहितरं शिशुमारस्य वै ध्रुवः उभये मे प्रमिं नाम तत्सुदौ कल्पवत्सरौ इलायामभि पार्यायां वायोः पुत्र्यां महाबलः पुत्रम् उत्कलनामानं यौषित्रत्नम् अजीजनत् उत्तमस्त्व कृतोद्वाहो मृगयायां बलीयसा हदः पुण्यजनेनाद्रौ तन्मातास्य गदिं गदा ध्रुवो भ्रातृवदं श्रुत्वा कोपामर्श शुचार्पितः जैत्रं स्यन्दनम् आस्ताय कदः पुण्यजनालयं तत्त्वोदीचीं दिशं राजा रुद्रानुचरसेवितां तदर्श हिमवद्द्रोण्यां पुरीं गुह्यकसङ्कुलां तत्मौषङ्गं बृहद्बाहुः कं दिशशानुनादयन् येनोद्विग्नदृशः शक्तः उपदेव्योत्सरसन् पृशं तदो निष्क्रम्य बलिन उपदेव महापडाः असहन्तस्तन्निनादम् अबिभेदुरुदायुधाः स दानापदो वीरः उग्रधन्वा महारथः एकैकं युगपत् सर्वान् अहन्पानैस्त्रिभिः
The first word மட்டும் தான் ஆபததோ சதானாபததோ வீரः
देवै ललाडलग्नैः
इशुभिः
देववै ललाडलग्नैः दैरिशुभिः सर्व एव हि मध्वा निरस्तम् आत्मानम् आशंसन् कर्म तस्य तत् तेभि चामुम् अमुं ऋष्यन्दः पादस्पर्शम् इवोगराः शरैरविद्यन् युगपत् द्विगुणं प्रचिकीर्षवः.
The first word மட்டும்
इवोरगाः तदः परिगनिस्त्रंशैः प्रासशूल परश्वदैः அது எப்படி சொல்லுது சக்திருஷ்டிபிர் புஷுண்டிபிஹி சித்ரவாஜைः शरैरभि अप्यवर्षन् प्रकुपिताः शरदं सह सारथिम् इच्छन्दस्तत् प्रतीकर्तुम् आयुधानि त्रयोदश औतानपादिस्स तदा शत्रवर्षेण भूरिना न उभातृष् यदच्छन्नः आसारेण यदा गिरिः हाहाकारैस्तदैवासीत् सिद्धानां द्विपश्यतां हदोऽयं मानवः सूर्यो मग्नः पुण्यजनार्णवे नदत्सु यादु तानेषु जयकाशिष्वदो मृदे उददिष्ट्रदस्तस्य निहारादिव भास्करः.
The second line, first word. Udhatishtad ratastasya.
उददिष्टत् रदस्तस्य निहारादिव भास्करः धनुर्विस्फूर्जयन् दिव्यं द्विषादं खेदम् उद्वहन् अस्त्रौघं व्यदमत्पाणैः घनानीगम् इवानिलः.
Rajesh ji, one question.
Yeah.
in Sloka 66 of 9th chapter, the first line, Vichoda Vayasam Tamcha or Tacha.
There's a im there only. You can say it as tancha or tamcha, either is okay. But there's a dot there.
Okay, thank you, Rajesh.
ஏதாவது கரெக்ஷனா ஜெய்ஷ்?
இல்ல ஜெயஸ்ரீ, இங்க 16 முடிச்சோமா, எங்க முடிச்சோம்?
16th தான் முடிச்சிருக்கு. நான் அதுக்கப்புறம் கரெக்ட் பண்ணல.
16 தானா? Okay. I had it wrong. Okay. All right. So I think that's where it finished. Okay.
Rajesh, 8th verse, second line. Ekam Yugapat Sarvan Ahan or Aham?
Ahan, in. Ahan bhanes tribihi. Okay. All right. So let me quickly finish through the meaning of 10. So 10 and 11, relatively small chapters. So just to give the bigger context before we get into the details, right? So most Dhruva Charitram people only know till Dhruva was blessed, but because this goes into a lot more details, it's going to go into the lineage of Dhruva also a little later. So 10th high picture is there's a battle that's going to happen between Dhruva and Yakshas, and then Dhruva is almost about to lose. That's chapter 10. 11th, Dhruva is going to win, but Swayambhuva Manu is going to come and stop the battle. So those are the high-level key points of 10 and 11 before we go into the details. So we saw in 10 how Dhruva, he has a couple of wives, right? One called Ila, and then, they had a couple of children, and then the other one was daughter of Prajapati Shishumara and called Brahmi, and then they had 2 boys there. And Uttama, who's the brother of Dhruva, he ends up going one day to fight somewhere or hunting somewhere in the northeast. And then he's then killed by these Yakshas. And then his mother also goes following him, and she also dies. I think like Bhagavan had said, she's going to die in a forest fire. It doesn't say how here, but I'm assuming that's what happens. So she dies in some forest fire. So these Yakshas, like we said, they are like the Kuvera's kind of children or the descendants in that lineage, right? And Kubera, to some extent, not quite brother of Shiva, but he's considered like the brother of Shiva. So he's considered to be that equivalent. Now, these Yakshas, generally, they don't live on earth. They live in Kailasha. Kubera and others live in Kailasha in a different spiritual plane. But like we said, just like how we have Kailasha here in the earthly plane, these Yakshas also reside in this plane. So which is where this Uttama ends up going to the northeast, where he then meets the region called Alakapuri, which is in the Himalayas. He ends up meeting this Yakshas who gets rid of Uttama. So similarly, Dhruva also goes northeast, and then he goes to this region called as Alakapuri, where the Yakshas reside there. And then he goes there. And then as soon as he reaches there, Dhruva is now getting ready to battle because he's very upset that his brother has been killed by these Yakshas. So the moment he goes there and then he sounds all these alarms, so all these Yakshas, they all come to battle. They actually don't want to fight. And I don't want to reveal a little bit of the plot later, but the Yakshas, they are not like violent beings or anything of that sort. But Dhruva is now coming to war with them. So they don't want to fight, but they have to go fight because Dhruva has come to battle. So they all come to fight. And then when Dhruva first starts, he's of course a very powerful king. So he goes and then he just starts getting rid of all these Yakshas. He actually starts killing all these Yakshas. And, anybody who's coming on the way, he's, getting rid of them. The Yakshas, it talks about, they had about some 150,000 or 130,000 number of people. And, Dhruva is just very determined that he wants to completely eliminate all of these Yakshas. So that's why that Shakrishtibihi, Bushandibihi, all are coming. Those are all the different types of weapons which they all are throwing at Dhruva. They throw all kinds of things at Dhruva, and it's almost like it talks about like it's just raining arrows and raining weapons, to the point that everybody thinks that Dhruva is lost because there are so many of these Yakshas fighting. But suddenly Dhruva then comes back, and then he comes back even more stronger, and then he starts completely wiping them out. So it talks about how a lot of them are actually getting killed, and a lot of their body parts, all these things are getting cut. So when all this is happening, because Dhruva is very powerful, the Yakshas are not able to fight back. Then suddenly Dhruva notices that everybody is gone missing. Like he doesn't see anybody there. So he's beginning to wonder, why is this happening? Is it because like the Yakshas, okay, some of them are dead, some of them are injured, but a lot of them are gone missing. So Dhruva assumes to some extent that he's won. The Yakshas have run away. but he also knows that the Yakshas are very mystic beings, so they can create this illusion. Like even in Ramayana, Vibhishana warns Rama that when you go, Indrajit can come and show as if Sita's head is getting cut. And later on in the war that Krishna does with Salva, even then Salva will come and then bring Devaki, and then he will show as if Devaki's head is getting chopped, right? So now don't ask me how they can do that, but they're able to do that somehow. So it feels like that is happening, but you'll get tricked. You won't know what is real, what is fake, right? Same thing is happening here. So Dhruva feels that all these yakshas are gone, and when he's just waiting, suddenly he sees that the sky is getting dark. There is just dust coming from everybody, and the yakshas are creating an illusion of certain things. Now, that doesn't mean those actual things are happening, but as far as Dhruva is concerned, he cannot tell if it is real or if it is not real. And the things which are happening is, it says it is raining all kinds of stuff. So it talks about in stanza 24, Vavrushu Rudiraugasat Puya Vinmutra Medasaha. So it's raining all kinds of things. It's raining pus, it's raining blood, it's raining mucus. All these things are falling off from the sky. And then, all kinds of snakes are flying everywhere, which like fire in their mouth. And then they are seeing mountains and all these things kind of falling from the top. It feels like the entire world is coming to an end. So Dhruva is just completely strangled there. He doesn't know what is actually happening. He has no control. He doesn't know how to get rid of it. And things are just completely going, really wild there. So at that time, Dhruva is really confused and he doesn't know what to do, and he's about to give up because he doesn't know how to fight these yakshas back. So at this time, some of the sages who are there, they all come, and then they come and tell Dhruva in the last stanza of this, he's saying that Dhruva, you cannot win over these yakshas just by how you are right now and trying to fight. So he says you have to meditate on Sharanga Dhanva, which means Bhagavan with a Sharanga bow. So meditate on that form of Bhagavan, and he is going to help clear all this illusion, because all this is an illusion which you cannot fight on your own. So that's the end of this, where they come and advise Dhruva that you have to come and do it. So that's how this ends. Next one, Dhruva is going to start fighting, but Swayambhu Manu is going to come and stop the war there. And we'll see what message is that. Okay, so 2:30. All right, perfect. Uma, you can be a student, and Vijaya, you can be a student.
Sure.
So stanza 17. Tasya te chapa nirmuktaha. So add a visarga there, comma. Bhitva varmani rakshasam. Kayan avivishus. I'm just breaking at that na there. Kayan avivishus tigmaha. Again, add a visarga and comma. Girin ashanayo yatha. Tasyate chapa nirmuktaha. Bhitva varmani rakshasam. Kayan avivishus tigmaha. Girin ashanayo yatha.
Rajesh, I can't chant today.
Voice is gone. Okay,
Yeah.
no worries. Meera, you can be a student.
तस्य ते चापनिर्मुक्ताः भित्त्वा वर्माणि रक्षसां कायान् अभिविशुस्तिग्माः गिरिनशयनो यथा.
And the Kayan avivishus, a sound, avivishus tigmaha, girina shanayo yata.
Again, I always sorry, right? Kayan avivishustigmaha girinashanayo yatha.
Tasyate chapanirmuktaha Bhitva varmani rakshasam Kayan avivishustigmaha Girin ashanayo yata.
Bhallais sanchidya mananam, comma, shirobhish charu kundalaihi, urubhir hema talabhaihi, put a visargan, comma. The next word ir goes away. Dhorbhir valaya valgubihi. So it just talks about how the bodies of the yakshas are scattered everywhere and all of the details here. Bhallai sanchidya mananam shirobhishcharu kundalaihi urubhir hematala bhaihi dorbhir valaya valgubihi.
भल्लैः सञ्चिद्यमानानां शिरोभिश्चारुकुण्डलैः ऊरुभिर्हेमतालाभैः दोर्भिर्वलयवल्गुभिः
फल्लैः सञ्चित्यमानानां शिरोभिश्चारुकुण्डलैः ऊरुभिर्हेमतालाभैः दोर्भिर्वलयवल्गुभिः
हार केयूर mukutaihi. So that ru, we're going to break it, put a visarga comma, mukutaihi. Next word will start with u. Ushnishaischa mahadhanaihi. Astritas ranabhuvo, comma, rejur veera manoharaha. हारकेयूर मुकुटैः उष्णीशैश्च महाधनैः आस्त्रितास्तारणभुवो रेजुर्वीरमनोहराः
हारकेयूरमुकुटैः उष्णीशैश्च महाधनैः आस्त्रितास्तारणभुवो रेजुवीरमनोहराः
हारकेयूरमुकुटैः उष्णीशैश्च महाधनैः आश्रितास्तारणभुवो रेजुर्वीरमनोहराः
हतावशिष्टा इतरे रणाजिराद् comma रक्षो गणाः, you have to say that visarga, रक्षो गणाः क्षत्रिय वर्य सायकैः प्रायो विवृत्नावयवा, one word, विवृत्नावयवा विदुद्रुवुः, visarga comma there. Next word on top of the mr, there's a ir that goes away. Mrigendra vikridita yutapa iva. Hatavashishta iterera najirad raksho ganaha kshatriya varyasayakaihi prayo vivritna vayava vidudrubuhu mrigendra vikridita yutapa iva.
हतावशिष्टा इतरेरनाजिराद् रक्षो गणाः क्षत्रियवर्यसायकैः प्रायो विवृत्ना वयवा विदुद्रुवुः मृगेन्द्रविकीडितयूथपा इव विक्रीडितयूथपा इव
हतावशिष्टा इतरेरनाजिरात् रक्षो घनाः क्षत्रियवर्यसायकैः प्रायो विकृत्ना वयवा विदुद्रुः मृगेन्द्र विक्रीडित युधपया इव
मृगेन्द्र विक्रीडित यूथपा इव
मृगेन्द्र विक्रीडित यूथपा इव
अपश्यमानस् स तदातथायिनं कोमा महामृधे कंचन मानवोत्तमः पुरीं दिदृक्षन्नपि नाविशद्विषां कोमा न मायिनां वेद चिकीर्षितं जनः अपश्यमानः स तदातथायिनं महामृधे कंचन मानवोत्तमः पुरीं दिदृक्षन्नपि नाविशद्विषां न मायिनां वेद चिकीर्षितं जनः
अपश्यमानः स तदाततायिनं महामृधे कञ्चन मानवोत्तमः पुरीं दिदृक्षन्नपि नाविशद्विषां न मायिनां वेद चिकीर्षितं जनः
अपश्यमानः स तदाततायिनं महामृते कञ्चन मानवोत्तमः पुरीं दिदृक्षन् अपि नाविशद्विषां न मायिनां वेद चिकीर्षितं जनः.
Second line, second word, didrikshannapi.
Second,
Purim
didrukshan api.
Yeah, didrukshannapi, yeah, double na. Iti dhruvam chitra rathas swasaratim, comma, yattaf paresham pratiyoga shankitaha shushrava shabdam jaladheriveritam, comma, nabhasvato dikshu rajonva drishyata. So now it's where he begins to see all of that stuff like storm coming and a lot of noise. All of that will start from 22. Iti bruvamschitra rataswasarathim yattah paresham pratiyoga shankitaha shushrava shabdham jaladheri veritam nabhasvato dikshu rajonva drishyata.
इति भ्रुवंश्चित्ररथस्वसारथिं यत्तः परेषां प्रतियोगशङ्कितः श्रुश्रावशब्दं जलधेरिवेरितं नभस्वतो दिक्षु रजोन्वदृश्यत
इति भ्रुवंशचित्ररथस्वसारथिं यतः परेषां प्रतियोगशङ्कितः शुश्राव शब्दं जलधेरिवरितं नभस्वतो दिशु रजोन्वदृश्यत.
First line just after the comma.
यतः
Under ta. Yattah paresham.
यतः परेषां
क्षणेनाच्छादितं व्योम, comma, घनानीकेन सर्वतः विस्फुरत् तडिता दिक्षु, comma, त्रासयत् स्तनयित् नुना. क्षणेनाच्छादितं व्योम घनानीकेन सर्वतः विस्फुरत् तडिता दिक्षु त्रासयत् स्तनयित् नुना.
क्षणेनाच्छादितं व्योम घनानीकेन सर्वतः विस्फुरत्तडिता दिक्षु त्रासयत् स्तनयित्नुना
क्षणन् आच्छादितं व्योम घनानीकेन सर्वतः विस्फुरत्तडितादिषु त्रासयत्स्तनयित्नुना.
Bavrushu, long u, rudhiraughasrik, one word, and then put a plus. Rudhiraughasrik, puya bin mutra medasah, nipetur gaganadasya, comma, habandhanya gratho nagha, one word. Bavrushu rudhiraughasrik, puya bin mutra medasah, nipetur gaganadasya, kabandhanya gratho nagha.
ववृषु रुधिरौघासृक्पूय विन्मूत्रमेधसः निपेतुर्गगनादस्य कबन्धान्यक्रतो नघ
ववृषु रुधिरौकासृग्भूय विन्मूत्रमेधसः निभेदुर्गहनादस्य घपन्तान्यक्रदो नघ.
Tatah ke drishyata girihi, visarga comma, girihi. Next word ir goes away. Nipetus sarvato disham gada pariga nistrimsha, put a plus, nistrimsha musalas sashma varshinah. Tatah ke drishyata girihi nipetus sarvato disham gada pariga nistrimsha musalas sashma varshinah. Oh, Mira, mute little.
ततः के दृश्यत गिरिः निपेतुः सर्वतो दिशं गदा परिघनिस्त्रिंश मुसलासाश्मवर्षिणः
तदके दृश्यत गिरिः निपेतु सर्वतो दिशं कधा परिघन्निस्त्रिंश्च मुसलाशाश्मवर्षिणः.
Nistrimsha is a halfway point, so then musalas ashma varshinah.
Okay.
Ahayo shani nishwasaha. Cannot break that word, but add a visarga there. Ahayo shani nishwasaha, comma, vamantognim rushakshibihi abhyadhavan gaja mattaha, comma, simha vyagrascha yutashaha. अहयोशनि निश्वासाः वमन्तोऽग्निं रुषाक्षिभिः अभ्यधावन् गजा मत्ताः सिंहव्याघ्राश्च यूथशः
अहयोशनि निश्वासाः वमन्तोऽग्निं रुषाक्षिभिः अभ्यधावन् गजामत्ताः सिंहव्याघ्राश्च यूथशः
अहयो शनि निःश्वासा वमन्तोऽग्निं रुषा शिभिः हव्यतावन् गजामत्ताः सिंहव्याघ्राश्च यूदशः.
The first line is Shwasaha and Visarga. Okay, just add the Visarga, it won't be there. Yep.
Okay.
Here is where it talks about, like snakes and gaja, elephants, wild elephants, and simham, lions. So he's kind of feeling that all of these are coming towards him. His mind is beginning to imagine all of these things. Samudra urmibhir bhimaha, plavayan sarvato bhuvam asasada mahahradaha, kalpanta iva bhishanaha. So again, samudra, so it's as if the seas are rising, waves are coming, and as if, kalpanta, the end of the kalpa is coming and the pralayam is coming and he's getting flooded. So he's beginning to feel that. Samudra urmi bhir bhimaha plavayan sarvato bhuvam asasada mahahradaha kalpanta iva bhishanaha.
समुद्र ऊर्मिभिर्भीमः प्लावयन् सर्वतो भुवम् आससाद महाह्रादः कल्पान्त इव भीषणः.
समुद्र ऊर्मिभिर्भीमः प्लावयन् सर्वतो भुवम् आससाद महाह्रादः कल्पान्त इव भीषणः.
एवं विधान्यनेकानि त्रासनान्य मनस्विनां, one word, sasrujus tigma gatayah, add a visarga there, asurya mayayasuraha. So somehow they have this power of creating these illusions which makes everybody believe that it is really happening. Evam vidhanyanekani trasananya manasvinam sasrujus tigma gatayah आसुर्या माययासुराः.
एवं विधान्यनेकानि त्रासनान्यमनस्विनां ससृजुस्तिग्मद्गतयः आसुर्या माययासुराः.
एवं विधान्यनेकानि त्रासनानामनस्विनां ससृजुस्तिग्मगतयः आसुर्या माययासुराः.
The first line after the comma, trasananya manasvinan.
இதுல என்னோட புக்ல திராசனானி அமனஸ்வினாம்
Okay.
இருக்கு.
They've just broken the sandhi there. So on the ni and a becomes a nya. Okay. So trasananya manasvinam.
Okay, trasananya manasvinam. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. The ni and a they've just broken that down. Dhruve prayuktam asuraihi, the is goes away, visarga comma, tam mayam ati dustaram nishamya tasya munayah, comma, shamashamsan samagataha. Dhruve prayuktam asuraihi tam mayam ati dustaram nishamya tasya munayah shamashamsan samagataha.
ध्रुवे प्रयुक्ताम् असुरैः तामायामतिदुस्तरां निशाम्य तस्य मुनयः क्षमाशंसन् समागताः.
ध्रुवे प्रयुक्ताम् आशुरैः तामायाम् अतिदुष्टरां निशम्य तस्य मुनयः क्षमाशंसन् समागताः.
First time asuraihi. Okay, prayuktam asuraihi. A ketadu asuraihi.
Asuraihi.
Yeah. Munaya uchuhu. So this is a four-liner. Autana pade bhagavans tava sharanga dhanva, comma, devaha, say that visarga, devaha, kshinotva vanarti, one word, kshinotva vanarti Shinotva Vanatarti Haro Vipakshan Yennamadheyam, break at that ma, Abhidhaya Nishamya Chadha, Lokonjasa Tarati Dustaramanga Mrityum. 4 line there. So this is like for us, the application you can use is, but you may not see snakes coming with fire in their mouths and all of that. But anytime you have fear or anxiety or negative thoughts or anything which just clouds your mind, which is what Dhruva is going through right now, right? His mind is just getting completely distorted. He's destabilized to some extent, right? So whenever that happens, the rishis are coming. The best way then is to pause everything and think about that Sharanga Dhanva. Think about Bhagavan, and then he's going to come clear off the mind, right? So that's the advice they're coming giving Dhruva. Munaya uchuhu autana pade Bhagavam stava Sharanga Dhanva Devahakshinottva vanatarti haro vipakshan Yennamadheyam abhidhaya nishamya chadha Lokonjasa tarati dustaramanga mrityum.
Munaya uchuhu autanapade bhagavamstava shargadhanva devahakshinottva vanatarti haro vipakshan yannamadheyam abhidhaya nishamya chadha lokonjasa tarati dustaramanga mrityum.
Munaya uchuhu Autanapada Bhavam Stava Sharngadhanva Devakshinottva Vanatharti Haro Vibashan Yennamateyam Apitaya Nishamya Chatta Loko Jasat Dharati Tustaram Anga Mrityum.
Second line la mattum Devaha. Okay, that Visarga is there.
Devaha.
Iti Srimad Bhagavate Mahapurane Paramahamsyam Samhitayam Chaturtaskandhe Dashamodhyayaha.
Iti Srimad Bhagavate Mahapurane Paramahamsyam Samhitayam Chaturtaskandhe Dashamodhyayaha.
Iti Srimad Bhagavate Mahapurane Paramahamsyam Samhitayam Chaturtaskandhe Dashamodhyayaha.
We'll switch here. Let me just say the 11th, I'll say half meaning, and then we'll continue. So Dhruva is in this. So they come in and tell Dhruva that, you have to essentially meditate. So at that time, what Dhruva does is, so, he has access to Narayanastram, which Narayana, he has got access to it. So he then meditates on the form of Bhagavan, and then he takes up that Narayanastram. So the moment he takes up that Narayana Astram and he even puts it, makes it ready for it, he just invokes it. So at that time, all this illusion that was actually created, everything just completely disappears, right? So all that clears off because it was not actually happening. So none of that was happening. He was just visualizing it. For him, it appeared real. So the moment he invoked the Narayana Astram, everything disappears. So now what Dhruva is going to do is he essentially takes this Narayana Astram and then he starts firing that. So when he starts doing that, it is creating utter destruction everywhere. So because with that, there's nobody can fight back. The Yakshas cannot fight back. So no matter what the Yakshas are throwing at him, the Yakshas are also kind of like demigod status. So they're also powerful. So no matter what they are throwing at him, they are not able to fight back. And everything, they're getting, essentially a lot of them get killed, right? And all of this is happening. So when this is happening, they're unable to fight back. And very few people are left. At that time, Swayambhuva Manu comes. So Swayambhuva Manu comes, who is the grandfather of Dhruva, Uttanapada's father. So like you said, Swayambhuva Manu lived for a really long time. We finished Swayambhuva Manu's Charitram long time back. So he said he ruled for a really long time. So all these timelines a little bit overlap, right? So we wrapped up his, we wrapped up Uttanapada's, but all of this is kind of happening in parallel as well to some extent. So Swayambhuva Manu is coming. So he's coming and telling Dhruva that you have to put an end to this. You cannot do this, right? He says, what has actually happened, Dhruva, is you gotten angry. And he says, anger is never a solution to anything else, any problem, right? And the path you ended up taking as a result of being angry here is you are now suddenly your life is getting distorted and going in the wrong direction, right? And he says, whatever the killing of the yakshas that you are actually doing, you think about the lineage. So it's Brahma, Swayambhuva Manu, Uttanapada, and then Dhruva. He's saying the lineage in which you are coming, killing is never advised as a suggestion for anything, right? And it is against the religion. It is not advisable at all. But somehow you have got distorted. You are deviated from the path, right? And he says, I understand why, right? You understand it's because you are very devoted to your brother, Uttama, and he has been killed by the yakshas. But he says, but for one yaksha killing your brother, Uttama, you have killed so many yakshas here, right? And he says the reason is, Swayambhuva Manu tells beautifully, the reason for that is, what? He says it is because you have forgotten that the soul is different from the body. You have forgotten that concept. So because of which you are beginning to see everybody as a different body, compared to forgetting that at the end of the day, they are all just a body. Inside that there's a soul, which is connected to the Paramatma. The knowledge which you have, you've actually lost that knowledge essentially, right? You've forgotten that knowledge. He says it's so difficult to get access to Bhagavan and to get to Vaikuntham, but you have got that access, you got that opportunity, right? So Bhagavan came looking for you. He came and met you. All the great people talk about you as a great devotee. So the behavior that you are exhibiting here is not the appropriate behavior for a person who's so advanced, who's so blessed, right? And because the greatest devotee is somebody who's equanimous to everybody, right? No matter who it is, friend or an enemy or a foe, they have to see Bhagavan in everybody, and they have to behave neutral to all of that stuff. But you kind of deviated from the path, right? Because of whatever reason, right? So Manu uses this opportunity to essentially educate Dhruva again, give him some more knowledge, right? So he's going to repeat. I'll break it into a couple of things. So which is good, because all these, the message is the same, whether it be Narada giving Brahma, giving to Narada, or it could be Maitreya giving to Vidura, or here in this case, or Kapila in that episode, the message of all of these things always the same. So here he again says the same thing. He's saying that what you are seeing as people are at the end of the day made up of the Panchabhutas. And the Panchabhutas, the source of that is all that same Bhagavan. So if you extract all of that out, it is the same energy which is inside everybody else. And that same energy which belongs to Bhagavan is the one which is doing all the creations. All of that is under his control, right? But he's not bound. So he's again giving that information about the Paramatma, saying that, while he controls all of these things, at the end of the day, he's not bound by all of these things. And he says everything that is happening, the death that is happening, the birth that is happening, all follow certain rules. It is all under the control of the Bhagavan, but he's not the person acting on it, right? Which is kind of very similar to the Bhagavad Gita example as saying that you are not the doer, right? Similarly, this is the Bhagavan, while you might seem like all this is happening and it is under the control of Bhagavan, he's not the one ultimately who's the doer, because he's detached from all of these stuff, right? And he says that, all the process, then he talks about the law of karma. He says, in the sense that for Bhagavan, nobody is his favorite, right? By default, everybody is in the same plane. When you start off with, nobody is his favorite, nobody is his enemy. So when somebody gets something and somebody doesn't get something, it is not because Bhagavan is playing partiality. So Swayambhuva Manu says that it is only because of their karma that they get what they are getting, right? So there's no use blaming anybody else. There's no use blaming Bhagavan. Why is this happening to me? This is unfair. He says that is never the case, because he's always very fair. So whatever is happening is because of the karma. And he says that the rules are defined. Bhagavan doesn't change all of that stuff. So whoever it is, he talks a lot about that karma. He says while he's controlling it, he's not responsible for deciding. It's all automatic to some extent, right? It is all his energy which is actually doing this. He says whether people think of it as karma or fate or destiny, he says it doesn't matter. It is all because of his control. And he says nobody can understand, but you got an opportunity to meet that Bhagavan, right? Nobody can truly understand, because if you can understand with your senses, that means that Paramatma is within the senses, which is not true. He's beyond all of these things. So he says, how can you understand with the limited senses that we have? So we cannot. So for some person who cannot be understood by speculation, by thought and everything, you somehow have gotten access to it, so you cannot put it to waste. He said that while it might look like these yakshas are responsible for the death of your brother, remember that your brother's death was inevitable. he was supposed to die that time anyways, right? It's not because of the yakshas that they are the medium through how he died, but he was destined to die that time, right? So you cannot blame the yakshas for that, and that's why I'll stop here and then he'll wrap it up. So he essentially comes and tells Dhruva that you essentially got deflected from the great path that you are on, and then you should stop this. This is not the right thing to do. And he explains his karma and all of that stuff to Dhruva to pause everything here. Okay. So, sorry, you had a question, Devati? Sorry.
No.
Okay. So Sabita, you can be a student, and Vasu, you can be a student. Sorry, I don't know, Chonala. Okay. Ata ekadashodhyayah Maitreyo uvacha Nishamya Gadatam Esham, breaking at that ma, Esham, comma, Rishinam Dhanushi Dhruvaha Sandadhestram. So it's astram, but comes together. Sandadhestram upasprishya, comma, yen narayana nirmitam.
Rajesh ji, first line, is it Gadadamesha or Gadadameva?
Oh, Gadadam evam.
Okay.
Evam. So that the mr, we're just breaking that. Gadadam evam rishina. Maitreya uvacha nishamya gadadam evam rishinam dhanushe dhruvaha sandadhestram upasprishya yen narayana nirmitam.
Maitreya uvacha nishamya gatatamevam rishinaam dhanushid dhruvaha sandadhestram upasprishya yennarayana nirmitam.
Maitreya uvacha nishamya gadatamevam rishinaam dhanushid dhruvaha sandadesham Mupaprishya Yennarayana Nirmitam.
Upasprishya on the word.
Upasprishya இல்லையா?
Upasprishya. Upasprishya நம்ம ஜலத்தை தொடுறோம் இல்லையா ஆச்சமனம் பண்றதுக்கு. So like you touch that upasprishya. So that's what he's doing.
எனக்கு ஒரு மா போட்டிருக்கான் அது வந்து
அந்த அஸ்திரம். So sandhadestram upasprishya.
Okay, சரி.
Okay. Sandhiyamana etasmin, comma, Maya guhyaka nirmitaha kshipram vineshur vidura, comma, klesha jnanodaye yatha. Sandhiyamana etasmin Maya guhyaka nirmitaha kshipram vineshur vidura klesha jnanodaye yatha.
Sandhiyamana etasmin maya guhyaka nirmitaha Shipram vineshur vidura kleshanyanodaye yatha.
Deyamanaye tasmin maya guhyaka nirmitaha Shipram vineshur vidura klesha jnanodaye yatha.
Tasyar shastram. So astram, remember that word. Tasyar shastram dhanushi prayunjataha, comma, Suvarna punkah kalahamsa vasasah vinisrita avivishur dvishad balam, comma, yatha vanam bhimaravash shikhandinah. Tasyar shastram dhanushi prayunjatah Suvarna punkah kalahamsa vasasah vinisrita avivishur dvishad balam Yathavanam bhimaravashi khandinah.
Dasyar shastram dhanushi prayunjatah suvarna punkah kalahamsa vasasah vinisruta avivishur dvishad balam yathavanam bhima ravashi khandinah.
Shastram dhanushi prayunjataha suvarna punkah kalahamsa vasasah vinishrita avivishur dvishad bhalam yatavanam bhimarava shikhandinah.
The first line, first word, Tasyar shastram.
ஓ தப்பா சொல்லிட்டேனா? ஓகே
அந்த வேர்ட் மட்டும். தஸ்யார் சாஸ்திரம்.
ஓகே பர்ஃபெக்ட்.
தைஸ் திக்ம தாரைஃப் பிரதனே ஷிலி முகைஹி. The ra goes away, put a visarga comma, mukaihi. Itastataf, so it starts with the E. Itastataf punyajana upadhrutaha. Tam abhyadhavan kupita udayudhaha, comma. Suparnam unnadha phana ivahayah. तैस्तिग्मधारैः प्रदनेशिलीमुखैः इतस्ततः पुण्यजना उपधृताः तमभ्यधावन् कुपिता उदायुधाः सुपर्णमुन्नद्धफना इवाहयः.
तैस्तिग्मधारैः प्रधने शिलीमुखैः इतस्ततः पुण्यजना उपधृताः तमभ्यधावन् कुपिता उदायुधाः सुपर्ण उन्नद्धफना इवाहयः. Is it unnad dhapana?
Unnad double na double dha.
Okay. Unnadhapana ivahayah. Correct.
Yeah.
तैस्तिग्मधारैः प्रधने शिलीमुखैः. கரெக்ட் தானே?
Yeah.
इतस्ततः पुण्यजना उपधृताः तमभ्यधावन् कुपिता उदायुधाः सुपर्णम् उन्नद्धपना इवाहयः.
Sathan prishatkair abhidhavato, just breaking at the tra. Prishatkair abhidhavato mridhe, comma, nikritta bahuru shiro dharodaran ninaya lokam paramarka mandalam, comma, brajanti nirbhidya yamurdhva retasah. Satan prishatkair abhidhavato mridhe nikritta bahuru shiro dharodaran ninaya lokam paramarka mandalam brajanti nirbhidya yamurdhva retasah.
Satan prishatkarair abhidhavato mridhe nikritta bahu रुषिरोधरोधरान् निनाय लोकं परमर्कमण्डलं प्रजन्ति निर्भिद्य यमुध्वरेतसः.
ஒரே ஒரு குவிக் கொஸ்டின். என்னோட பேப்பர்ல வந்து பிருஷ்ட கயிர்னு கொடுத்திருக்கு.
Prishatkair.
பிருஷத் கயிர் தானே?
Prishatkair abhidhavato, just breaking at the tra.
सतान् पृषत्कैर् अभिधावतो मृदे निकृत्त बाहूरु शिरोधरोधरान् निनन्य लोकं परमर्कमण्डलं व्रजन्ति निर्भित्य यमूर्ध्व रेतसः.
Second line, first word, ninaya. Okay.
Oh, ninaya, okay.
Tan hanyamanan, break at that na, hanyamanan abhivikshya guhyakan, again breaking at that na, comma. Next word starts with the a. Anagasash chitra ratena bhurishah autana padim kripaya pitamaho, comma, manur jagadopagatas saharshibihi. Tan
ராஜேஷ் ஒரு குவிக் கொஸ்டின், சாரி. அந்த வந்து அந்த அனா அந்த லைன் மட்டும் திருப்பி சொல்ல முடியுமா?
Out second line, இல்ல first line, okay. Anagasash sa shash. Anagasash chitra ratena bhurishah.
Okay, perfect.
Tan hanyamanan abhivikshya guhyakan anagasash chitra ratena bhurishah autana padim kripaya pitamaho manurjagadopaгаtas saharshibihi.
तान् हन्यमानान् अभिवीक्ष्य गुह्यकान् अनागसश्चित्ररथेन भूरिशः औत्तानपादिं कृपया पितामहो मनुर्जगादोपगतः सहर्षिभिः.
हन्यमानान् अभिवीक्ष्य गुह्यकान् अनागसश्चित्ररथेन भूरिशः औत्तानपादिं कृपया पितामहो मनुर्जगादोपगतः सहर्षिभिः
मनुरुवाच अलं वत्साति रोषेण तमोद्वारेण पाप्मना येन पुण्यजनानेतान् इन् नेक्स्ट वर्ड साचत अवधीस्त्वमनागसः मनुरुवाच अलं वत्साति रोषेण तमोद्वारेण पाप्मना येन पुण्यजनानेतान् अवधीस्त्वमनागसः
मनुरुवाच अलं वत्सातिरोषेण तमोद्वारेण पाप्मना येन पुण्यजनानेतान् अवधीस्त्वमनागसः
मनुरुवाच अलं वत्सातिरोषेण तमोद्वारेण पाप्मना येन पुण्यजनानेतान् त्वमनागसः
नास्मत् कुलोचितं तात कर्मैतत् सद्विगर्हितं वधो यदुपदेवानां ब्रेकिंग देवानां आरब्धस्ते कृतैनसाम् नास्मत्कुलोचितं तात कर्मैतत् सद्विगर्हितं वधो यदुपदेवानाम् आरब्धस्ते कृतैनसाम्
नास्मत्कुलोचितं तात कर्मैतत् सद्विगर्हितं वधो यदुपदेवानाम् आरब्धस्ते कृतैनसाम्
मत्कुलोचितं तात कर्मैतत् सद्विगर्हितां यदो यदुपदेवानाम् आरब्धस्ते कृतैनसाम्
Second line, first word, vadho. I heard a ya sound there. Vadho. Okay. Nanve kasyaparadhena, one word. Nanve kasyaparadhena, prasangat bahavo hataha, bhratur vadhabhi taptena, tvayanga bhratru vatsala. Nanve kasyaparadhena, prasangat bahavo hataha, भ्रातुर वधाभितप्तेन त्वयाङ्ग भ्रातृवत्सलः
नन्वे कस्यापराधेन प्रसङ्गात् बहवो हताः भ्रातुर्वधाभितप्तेन त्वयाङ्ग भ्रातृवत्सल
वेकस्यापराधेन प्रसङ्गात् बहवो हताः भ्रातुर्वदाभितापेन त्वयाङ्ग भ्रातृवत्सला वत्सल
Second line just before the comma. Vadabhitaptena.
भ्रातुर्वदाभितप्तेन त्वयाङ्ग भ्रातृवत्सल
नायं मार्गो हि साधूनां, हृषीकेशानुवर्तिनां यदात्मानं परागृह्य, पशुवत् bhuta vaishasam. Says that killing is certain, and comes even later. Krishna says certain animals, like if it's a lion, it has to kill a deer for its survival, else it cannot survive. So that doesn't count as karma for the lion, because that is the nature of the lion. It has to kill something to eat. So that killing is different from us going and killing somebody because we don't like somebody, right? So that's the differentiation. Is saying so animals, certain animals can do that because that's the nature of what it is. Later on in the Kaliya Nartana, even Kaliya will tell Krishna saying that it is my nature as a snake. I have venom in my body. So I cannot help, if I'm going to spit venom if somebody comes to hurt me, right? So that conversation we'll cover later. Anyway, so here he says that that is okay. You're not an animal that you can go about killing people. Nayam margo hi sadhunam hrishikeshanuvartinam yadatmanam paragrihya pashuvat bhuta vaishasam.
नायं मार्गो हि साधूनां हृषीकेशानुवर्तिनां यदात्मानं परागृह्य पशुवद्भूतवैशसम्
मार्गो हि साधूनां ऋषिकेशानुवर्तिनां यथात्मानं परागृह्य वैशसं
सर्वभूतात्म भावेन भूतावासं हरिं भवान् आराध्याप दुराराध्यं विष्णोस्तत् परमं पदम् सर्वभूतात्म भावेन भूतावासं हरिं भवान् आराध्याप दुराराध्यं विष्णोस्तत् परमं पदम्
सर्वभूतात्मभावेन भूतावासं हरिं भवान् आराध्यापदुराराध्यं विष्णोस्तत्परमं पदम्
सर्वभूतात्मभावेन भूतावासं हरिं भवान् आराराध्याप
You're adding an extra आराध्याप
आराध्यापदुराराध्यं विष्णोस्तत्परमं पदम्. I know I was making a mistake. எங்கேயோ லேண்டா மாட்டேங்கிறது I was thinking.
सत्वं हरेर अनुध्यातः, that is goes away, visarga comma अनुध्यातः, तत् पुंसामपि सम्मतः, कथं त्ववध्यं कृतवान्, breaking at that na in comma अनुशिक्षन् सतां व्रतम्. सत्वं हरेर अनुध्यातः तत् पुंसामपि सम्मतः, कथं त्ववध्यं कृतवान् अनुशिक्षन् सतां व्रतम्.
सत्वं हरेर् अनुध्यातः तत्पुंसामपि सम्मतः कथं त्ववध्यं कृतवान् अनुशिक्षन् सतां व्रतम्.
त्वं हरे अनुद्यातः तत्पुंसाम् अपि सम्मतः कथं त्ववध्यं कृतवान् अनुशिक्षन् सतां व्रतम्.
तितिक्षया करुणया मैत्र्या चाकिल जन्तुषु समत्वेन च सर्वात्मा भगवान् सम्प्रसीदति. तितिक्षया करुणया मैत्र्या चाकिल जन्तुषु समत्वेन च सर्वात्मा भगवान् सम्प्रसीदति.
तितिक्षया करुणया मैत्र्या चाखिल जन्तुषु समत्वेन च सर्वात्मा भगवान् सम्प्रसीदति.
तया करुणया मैत्र्या चाकिल जन्तुषु समत्वेन च सर्वात्मा भगवान् प्रसीदति.
Some words are natural here. Bhagavan prasidati. Bhagavan will be happy when samatvena, when you treat everybody with the samatvam, with equality, with the same way to everybody, right? That is for any great devotee. Samprasanne bhagavati, purushah prakritair gunaihi vimukto jiva nirmukto, brahma nirvanam richati. Samprasanne bhagavati पुरुषः प्राकृतैर्गुणैः विमुक्तो जीवनिर्मुक्तो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं रिच्छति.
सम्प्रसन्ने भगवति पुरुषः प्राकृतैर्गुणैः विमुक्तो जीवनिर्मुक्तो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं रिच्छति.
ராஜேஷ் என்னோட பேப்பர்ல பகவத்தா கொடுத்திருக்கு, தீன் மாத்திக்கணுமா?
பகவதி.
सम्प्रसन्ने भगवति पुरुषः प्राकृतैर्गुणैः विमुक्तो जीव निर्मुक्तो ब्रह्म मृच्छति.
ब्रह्म निर्वाणम.
ओ निर्वाणन கொடுத்திருக்கு. ஓகே, निर्वाणन மாத்திடுமா? ஓகே. विमुक्तो जीव निर्मुक्तो ब्रह्म निर्वाण मृच्छति.
Switch. Revati, you can be a student, and Srividya Ramesh can be a student. Bhutaif panchabhir arabdhaihi, visarga comma arabdhaihi. Next the ir goes away. Yoshit purusha evahi tayor vyavayat sambhutihi, again visarga comma. Next word ir goes away. Yoshit purusha yoriha. Bhutaif panchabhir arabdhaihi योषित् पुरुष एव हि तयोर्व्यवायात् सम्भूतिः योषित् पुरुषयोरिह
भूतैस्पञ्चभिरारब्धैः योषित् पुरुष एव हि दयोर्व्यवायत् सम्भूतिः योषित् पुरुषयोरिह
भूतैः पञ्चभिरारब्धैः योषित् पुरुष एव हि तयोर्व्यवायात् सम्भूतैः योषित् पुरुषयोरिह
The last second line सम्भूतिः
सम्भूतिः
एवं प्रवर्तते सर्गः स्थितिः संयम एव च गुणव्यतिकरात् राजन् मायया परमात्मनः एवं प्रवर्तते सर्गः स्थितिः संयम एव च गुणव्यतिकरात् राजन् मायया परमात्मनः
एवं प्रवर्तते सर्गः स्थितिः संयम एव च गुणव्यतिकरात् राजन् मायया परमात्मनः
एवं प्रवर्तते सर्गः स्थितिः संयम एव च गुणव्यतिकरात् राजन् मायया परमात्मनः
निमित्त मात्रम tatrasit. So if we have a double n in the neither one, first one becomes a it tatrasit, comma nirguna purusharshabah vyakta vyaktamidam vishwam, comma yatra bhramati lohavat. So vektam is avyaktam is one which is anything which is manifesting, anything which is not manifesting. So all of them it is similar, and things happen just like how when you bring a magnet near an iron nail, it just attracts everything. It just happens according to the rules. Nothing is magic. It's all defined, how the things are going to happen. Nimitta matram tatrasit nirgunah purusharshabah vyakta vyaktamidam vishwam yatra bhamati lohavat.
निमित्तमात्रं तत्रासीत् निर्गुणः पुरुषर्षभः व्यक्ता व्यक्तम् इदं विश्वं यत्र भ्रमति लोकवत्
निमित्तमात्रं तत्रासीत् निर्गुणः पुरुषर्षभः व्यक्ता व्यक्तमिदं विश्वं यत्र भ्रमति लोहवत्
स खल्विदं भगवान् कालशक्त्या गुणप्रवाहेन विभक्तवीर्यः करोत्यकर्तैव निहन्त्यहन्ता चेष्टा विभूम्नः खलु दुर्विभाव्या. स खल्विदं भगवान् कालशक्त्या गुणप्रवाहेन विभक्तवीर्यः करोत्यकर्तैव निहन्त्यहन्ता चेष्टा विभूम्नः खलु दुर्विभाव्या.
सकल्वितं भगवान् कालशक्त्या गुणप्रवाहेन विभक्तवीर्यः करोत्यकर्तैव निहन्त्यहन्ता चेष्टा विभूम्नः खलु दुर्विभाव्या.
Vibhumnah, the H and the joining letter. Vibhumnah.
चेष्टा विभूम्नः खलु दुर्विभाव्या.
न कल्वितं भगवान् कालशक्त्या गुणप्रवाहेन विभक्तवीर्यः करोत्यकर्तैव निहन्त्यहन्ता चेष्टा विभूनः खलु दुर्विभाव्या.
Sonanton. So, okay, this next line. First, it's a little tough. You first put a plus. So the first line is going to go together. Okay. So the first part of it, it's all one word because that S symbol is coming 2 times there. Sonantonta karah. That's one word. Next one also. Kalonadhiradi is one word. So you can break it as Kalonadir Adi Kridavyaya if you want. But then the Anadi, that S symbol, so that is also coming together. Okay, so that line, little difficult to say it together, but as much as possible, say that whole line together. Janam, Janam, Janena, Janayan, Marayan, Mrityunantakam.
Can you repeat the first line one more time?
அது வந்து repeat பண்றது I'll say it because அது break பண்றது கஷ்டம் because there's no break
You
really.
say it as you like.
Yeah. you essentially have to say the whole thing together. The only
Okay.
place you can break it is Adi Kridavyayah.
Okay.
Only that you can break it, right? So Nantontakara Kalonadi Kridavyayah Janam Janena Janayan Marayan Mrityunantakam.
सोऽनन्दो अन्धःकरकालो अनादिरादिकृतव्ययः जनं जनेन जनयत् मारयन् मृत्युनान्तकम्.
And you don't explicitly say it according to the right way of saying it. So as much as possible. So Nantontakara Kalonadiradikridavyayah.
Okay. All right, I'll practice that.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
सोऽनन्तोत्करः कालो नादिरादिकृत्य व्ययः जनं जनेन जनयन् मारयन् मृत्युनान्तकम्.
Navai स्वपक्षोस्य विपक्ष एव वा परस्य मृत्योर् विशतः समं प्रजाः तं धावमानं, breaking at that, धावमानं अनुधावन्त्यनीशाः, one word, add a visarga at the end, अनुधावन्त्यनीशाः, यथा रजांस्य निलं भूत संघाः. So here he says, paksha vipaksha. So he's saying there's no paksham is like, taking somebody's side. Vipaksha is not taking somebody's side. So Bhagavan doesn't take somebody's side or does not take somebody's side by default, right? By default, everybody is equal. Then whatever you sow you reap type, right? Then according to the karma, that's what he's going to talk about karma in the next 10-15 stanzas here. So he's just saying that, starting off by saying is no vipaksham there. न वै स्वपक्षोऽस्य विपक्ष एव वा परस्य मृत्योर्विशतः समं प्रजाः तं धावमानम् अनुधावन्त्यनीशाः यथा रजांस्य निलं भूतसङ्घाः.
न वै स्वपक्षोऽस्य विपक्ष एवा परस्य मृत्योर्विशतः समं प्रजाः तं धावमानम् अनुधावन्त्यनीशा यथा राजंस्य निलं भूतशङ्खाः.
Nishaha, second line la visarga.
Nishaha, okay. Tam davamanam anutavantyanishaha yata rajamsya nilam bhutashankaha.
Rajamsya nilam.
Rajamsya nilam, okay. Yata rajamsya nilam bhutashankaha.
न वै स्वपक्षोऽस्य विपक्ष एव वा परस्य मृत्योर्विशतः समं प्रजाः तं धावमानम् अनुधावन्त्यनीशाः यथा रजांस्य निलं भूतसङ्घाः.
आयुषोपचयं जन्तोः विसर्गा is goes away. तथैवोपचयं विभुः उभाभ्यां रहित स्वस्तो दुस्थस्य विदधात्यसौ. आयुषोपचयं जन्तोः तथैवोपचयं विभुः उभाभ्यां रहित स्वस्तो दुस्थस्य विदधात्यसौ.
आयुषोपशयं सन्तोः சொல்லணுமா எப்படி? जन्तोः तथैवोपशयं विभुः उभाभ्यां रहितस्वसतो दुस्तस्य उभाभ्यां रहितस्वस्तो दुस्तस्य विदात्यसौ.
आयुषोपचयं जन्तोः तथैवोपचयं विभुः उभाभ्यां रहितस्वस्तो दुस्तस्य विदधात्यसौ.
केचित् कर्म वदन्त्येनं स्वभावम् अपरे नृप एके कालं परे दैवं पुंसः कामम् उतापरे. केचित् कर्म वदन्त्येनं स्वभावम् अपरे नृप एके कालं परे दैवं पुंसः कामम् उतापरे.
केचित् कर्म वदन्त्येनं स्वभावम् अपरे नृप एके कालं परे दैवं पुंसः कामम् उदापरे
केचित् कर्म वदन्त्येनं स्वभावमपरे नृप एके कालं परे दैवं पुंसः काममुतापरे
अव्यक्तस्या प्रमेयस्य one word comma नाना शक्त्युदयस्य च न वै चिकीर्षितं तात comma को वेदात स्वसंभवम् अव्यक्तस्या प्रमेयस्य नाना शक्त्युदयस्य च न वै चिकीर्षितं तात को वेदात स्वसंभवम्
अव्यक्स्या प्रमेयस्य नानाशक्यै उदयस्य च न वै चिकीर्षितं ताद को वेदादस्वसम्भवम्
The first line la शक्त्युदयस्य च
शक्ति उदयस्य च
you y sound शक्त्युदयस्य च
शक्स् उदयश्च right
उदयस्य च
अव्यक्तस्य प्रमेयस्व नानाशक्यै उदयस्य च न वै चिकीर्षितं तादको वेदात स्वसम्भवं वेदादस्वसम्भवम्
अव्यक्स्या प्रेमयस्य नानाशक्त्युदयस्य च न वै चिकीर्षितं तात को वेदात स्वसम्भवम्.
The first word Shividya अव्यक्तस्या प्रमेयस्य
अव्यक्तस्या प्रमेयस्य
न चैते पुत्रक भ्रातुः पुट विसर्गा कॉमा इर्गोसवे हन्तारो धनदानुगाः विसर्गादानयोस्तात कॉमा पुंसो दैवं हि कारणम् न चैते पुत्रक भ्रातुः हन्तारो धनदानुगाः विसर्गादानयोस्तात पुंसो दैवं हि कारणम्
न चैते पुत्रः भ्रातुः हन्तारो धनधानुकाः विसर्गादानयोस्ताद पुंसो दैवं हि कारणम्
न चैते पुत्रक भ्रातुः हन्तारो धनधानुगाः विसर्गादानयोस्तात पुंसो दैवं हि कारणम्.
और स एव विश्वं सृजति स एवावति हन्ति च अतापि ह्यनहङ्कारात् the double न it first one becomes a it ह्यनहङ्कारात् नाज्यते गुणकर्मभिः स एव विश्वं सृजति स एवावति हन्ति च अतापि ह्यनहङ्कारात् नाज्यते गुणकर्मभिः
स एव विश्वं सृजति स एवावति हन्ति च अतापि ह्यनहङ्कारान् नाज्यते गुणकर्मभिः
स एव विश्वं सृजति स एवावति हन्ति च अतापि ह्यनहङ्कारात् नाज्यते गुणकर्मभिः.
Stop it. Yeah, everything in the second line, the hakarat, it sound, okay? Yeah.
Atapi ह्यनहङ्कार.
Stop it. So I think a lot of these things, like so many times the same message is going to keep coming, so that we hear it 100 times, and at the end of the next 10 years, we'll finally come out with the realization. That's the goal, right? Otherwise, there's no reason to embed the same message. If everybody giving the same message, the more times we keep hearing and hearing and hearing about why certain things happen and who Bhagavan is, how things happen, only then we'll come. Because one time, we all know, we've all heard it one time somewhere, right? But it never sticks. That's why you have to hear it 100 times. That's why all these stories and everything is there to tell. More are going to come. There's a big Puranjanopakhyanam which Narada is going to talk about for 8 chapters to explain this concept again. You know, so at the end of it, at least we'll come to an understanding. Anyway. Hare Namaha, Hare Namaha, Shri Hare Namaha, Gopika Jeevana Smaranam, Govinda, Govinda, Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Bye everyone.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Bye.